This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
What do we do when we need dynamic behavior in our application?
What do we do? What do we do? Can you explain a little bit more what you're asking? Like what do we do means what you are trying to do? Like in what cases? Is it the testing? Is it developing?
In the business perspective, I mean, the way we think to dynamic and function to dynamic I mean, the thing we can do right now. Let's say in our application, first of all, we give a requirement just to make it do straightforward. Then we try to figure it out how we can do it more dynamically, more robust way.
Got it. Okay. So the basically as an example, the product, adding a product. So adding a product, we can give the product name, and we can give the product ID, and then the what is this called? I can't remember at this moment. How can I say it? I don't know basically.
Like here, the one thing we can say, like product adding, the way you said, like first of all, we give the requirement that we need a function to add the products. Then after that, when we saw that, okay, we need to add one product just at a time, we can do this. But when we think that, okay, we can do it more robust way, then we talked with the developer to bring it into the CSV format. So when a developer developed the CSV format, then we actually could add so many products at the same time.
Oh, so it's you mean there's a bulk update? You mean?
Yeah. So yeah, this.
Okay. So from the seller portal, as we are doing like instead of adding the functionality is already itself the dynamic, but the problem from the interface, we are adding one product at a time. So to make it dynamic, so you on the CSV format, it's a CSV is a comma separated version, CSV.csv is a file format. In this, the provide the product name, product description, product size, number of product, and the available, and then the picture, and upload the picture of this, upload the picture location. So those are actually the size in the design, the entire the CSV, and then once I upload it, then all the product is already uploaded in the inventory. At the same time, when I want to like the update those product inventory, instead of going one by one from the website, I'm actually managing the entire CSV and updating on the CSV. And once I upload it, it actually update the entire website. So that's the way we do the dynamic way to product inventory.